Hello, welcome back to June 2017, paper 3, question 13. It's all about error intervals and upper and lower bounds. So we've got a mass of m tons is 12.7 correct to one decimal place. So we need to think about the lower bound and the upper bound. So one decimal place, the lowest number that would still round to 12.7 is 12.65. So the lower bound is 12.65. And then the upper bound is going to be 12.75. Basically, you want to go half a unit either way. Now, be careful here. Now, we know 12.75 doesn't actually round 12.7, but it's the boundary. So, and you can see that in the inequality sign in our answer. So, 12.65 is our lower bound. That goes in the first space. And you'll notice that there's a less than or equal to sign there. So, the mass could be equal to that. And then 12.75 goes in the next space. And you can see that that sign is just a less than sign, showing that the mass can't actually be 12.75. So that's our answer for part A. And then part B. So the wood is 8 meters correct to the nearest meter, and the metal rod is 8.5 meters correct to one decimal place. You can see each thing has been rounded off slightly differently. So let's just look at this piece of wood for a second. So basically, it's correct to the nearest meter, so the wood could be anywhere between 7.5 meters and 8.5 meters. Whereas the metal rod is 8.5 correct to one decimal place, so it could be anywhere from 8.45 to 8.55. So we can see the maximum length of the wood is 8.5, but the minimum length of the rod is only 8.45. So we can see here that the wood can be slightly longer. So I would write something that like 8.5 is greater than 8.45. So the wood could be longer. And there we are.